LiGrip by GreenValley International. Futuristic design, minimalistic style, handheld slam rotating 3D mapping system. Extremely lightweight, durable and comfortable to use, waterproof, carefree of chronic low-level leaks and adverse conditions, holographic modeling, extremely accurate positioning, supports global GNSS coverage, fast collection of point cloud data with absolute coordinates, supports panoramic 360 cameras to obtain the highest quality true color point cloud, power on and start collecting data, wireless control and Wi-Fi enabled, handheld, vehicle mounted, airborne, and more. Produce dependable data sets, fit for many industry-specific applications, operate without limitation, powered by an industry-leading SLAM algorithm. Whether you're in narrow passageways, tunnels, rugged terrain, or other challenging GNSS-restricted areas. Obtain high-precision point cloud results in all environments. GVI supports LiGrip as a one-stop solution that can be applied in depth to surveying and mapping, construction and architecture, mining and tunnel modeling, forestry and agriculture, utilities and other fields. Greater cost efficiency, powerful industry-specific applications, using science and technology, extends the senses, and let us light up the way.